So if you happen to have an issue and let's just say something happens on your configuration, somebody goes in, messes with the configuration or something along those lines, and you want to reconfigure everything to put it back to the original setup, what you want to do is go ahead and hit the one player start button. You want to go down to controller and Bluetooth settings, and hopefully you have or know which one is your A button, which is typically set up as the middle bottom button. That is the one that allows you to go into systems and also launch games. So you want to push that. You want to push that same button again for controller mapping. And it's going to tell you you're going to map a controller. You want to go ahead and hit OK. Once this comes up, you want to hold any button for 3 seconds and let off. And you want to go ahead and only configure the buttons that I'm about to walk you through. So to start off with, east is your A button, which is your middle bottom. South is your B button, which is your bottom left. North is your X button, which is your top middle. West is your top left button, which is Y. Start is the one player button. Select is your coin button. And then your D-pad up, down, left, and right is the joystick. So you just want to push up, down, left, right. Left shoulder is your top right button. Right shoulder is your bottom right button. And then the rest of these you want to skip until you get to the hotkey. So what you want to do is hold a button for 3 seconds and let off. And you're going to continue doing that until you get all the way down to the hotkey. You don't want to assign the left trigger or right trigger, the left stick press or the right stick press. And then once you get to hotkey, go ahead and hit the coin button, and then you'll hit OK, and you're good to go. That will then set everything back to the original default setup that we shipped the mini PC and also the full-size PCs with.